kings and queens, it's your girl QueeNyobee back with another video, and today we are going to be opening up some mail. Like I said, we're going to be opening up some mail. I've been ordering a lot of things online just because, I don't know, you can find the deals online. It's the pandemic. Ain't nobody trying to go to the store or whatever. But, sorry, I had to take a break. Ooh, that wine is so good. I'm actually very shocked. It was cheap, like $10, and it's good. Okay. But anyways, like I was saying, I was shopping online because you can find better deals online. And today, I am going to talk about my order from iHerb. I hope I'm saying that right. But this is like my third time ordering from this company. I found them when I was trapped in my house during this pandemic, and I really needed some natural products, but I couldn't go to the natural store that I usually go to. Like, I needed like shea butter, and I needed my coconut, not my coconut, like my castor oils and all that kind of stuff, because I make my own oil concoctions for my hair, and I have ran out. So this is like I said, my third time ordering from the company, and I'm just going to show you guys what I got this time. This time was one of my biggest purchases. I spent $137. So if I spend that much money on a website, you know I like it. I'll put the name of the website on the screen for you guys so you can see it, and I'll put the link down below. So yeah, I already popped this big box open. See? This is the name. This is the box that came in. So I'm gonna show you guys. Literally, that's how my stuff came in the mail. And I will show you guys the first thing I got was this coconut oil. So I got this because, like I said, I make some of my own hair products. I've been natural for so long now, and I realized that it's better.
Moisturize. Ooh, yes. I'm excited.
Long story short, I want to make my own hair grease. I've been making my own oil concoctions. I even made my mom some, and she loves it. She went natural, so I made her one. And I've been thinking like the oil gets all over my face, and I hate that. You know when you oil your scalp and it just be dripping all over your face? I really hate that, y'all. So I want to make my own hair grease, because when I put the grease in my hair, it just stays put. But the one person or company that makes a nice hair grease that I like, by Natural Transcenders, that's the hair salon I go to, a natural hair salon, and they have this product line called Royal Coils. But their hair grease is so expensive. But honestly, it's expensive, but it's worth the money. But I'm trying to find alternative ways to save money, but still get the same great products. Does that make sense? So I got some coconut oil. I got this jar. It's for skin and hair. It's by Now Solutions. A lot of these products are going to be by Now Solutions. And the only reason why I got Now Solutions is because I trust it. I've used it before in the past, and they really have some really good natural products. So I'm going to put a link in this video once I do create my hair grease, so you guys can see what that looks like, that process. So this was $6. That coconut oil was $6 on here. Now the next thing I got that I'm going to use to make my hair oil and hair grease is almond oil. When I first went natural, this was like the first thing I got. This and castor oil. And when I say between this and castor oil, my hair was so thick and soft, y'all. Like, I love almond oil. And it smells so good. This was $6.83 on iHerb for this big bottle. And this is 16 fluid ounces. So, I'm going to use that in my hair concoctions. And if you guys see my nails and they look busted, it's because I just came back from a trip from Texas. I'll put a link up below. I put a vlog. Me and my fiance went to Texas for a wedding, and I had some tragedy happen with my nails, so excuse me. Anyways, moving along. I'm gonna sip some wine to that. Oops, I made a boo-boo. So, the almond oil was $9.36. My bad. And the castor oil was $6.83. That makes more sense, because when I was saying another price, I was like, oh, I really got a deal. But, because you know, almond oil is expensive. And it's 100% pure almond oil. So, there you go. Alright, the next thing I got, I've never tried this oil before, like in its pure states. But I've tried it in other hair products, and I liked it in other hair products. It's jojoba oil. I hope I say that right. It's Jojoba. I know I can't say things, but I tried. But I got this small bottle because this stuff is expensive. I got 4 fluid ounces, and it's 100% pure. It's for skin, hair, and body. It's a multi-purpose. Most of these oils are multi-purpose. And this was $8.63 for this small bottle. So that shows you how expensive this is. But you know, when I say expensive, it's just because I usually spend this amount of money on like products that already come mixed together. So it's an investment because I'm going to be making my own products. And like, I've been using a lot of more expensive products. Like I said, the hair grease is expensive, and I've noticed the difference in my hair between cheap products and expensive products. So I want to make my own and see what happens. So I got vitamin E oil because I do have damage in the middle of my head, and I really want this to grow. Every time it does look like it's gonna grow back, I damage it again, and I really have a lot of scalp damage, and I want to heal it and stuff like that. And vitamin E oil is good for that. So this is 1 fluid ounce. It's like this bottle is like, it has like, it's like an applicator inside of it. So it's like how can I talk? What is it called? It's like the little drop thing, like the little drops. You put drops in your hair. So I'm gonna put this in my hair grease, in my oil, the vitamin E oil, and it's $12.96. $12. Okay. This next thing, I always say So the next thing that I got was aloe vera juice. So I do not personally like buying aloe and cutting them up and taking all the juice out and straining it by hand. I really just buy it already juiced. I'm just being honest. So this brand, first time I ever tried aloe vera juice, I got this brand and I said it was a good brand, so why change it? If you guys know another brand that I should try, leave a comment down below with the brand's name. But I've been using this brand, and this big bottle was $10.20. Now the reason why I purchased it is because I just like to read the like details in the aloe vera juice. I'm not drinking this. I want to put it in my hair, and I noticed like especially like ones at Walmart is for drinking purposes, so they add other stuff to make it taste good. And I don't want to put that kind of like sugar or anything like that in my hair. So this is 100% organic and strained. So this is what I get, and I got 2 bottles this time because 1 bottle was not enough last time because I made myself a spray bottle full of it, and I made my mom. And like the thing is, I've been using that with rose water mixed together instead of just using plain water in my hair. And when I say y'all, there's a difference between using sink water and using some good. Okay, that's some good right there. Now moving on, since I mentioned rose water, I did buy me some rose water again. This time though, I didn't get anything added in it. I just got regular rose water. So this is the 2 bottles. This is, ooh, it's a little wet. So these are 8 fluid ounces bottles. I bought 2 of these as well because, like I said, I have to make myself some and I have to make my mom some. And the rose water was $9.59. So it's pretty expensive for this small little bottle, but it's worth it. And this is for aromatherapy, body splash, and you can use it on your face, you can use it in your hair. You know a product is good for you when you can use it in your hair, you can use it on your face, your skin, everywhere. You can breathe it in, like, you know it's good for you. So like I said, I mix these 2 things together. I use more of this than this, of course. I use more olive water and rose water, and I'll link a video up below for you guys to show you how I do this. It's not that complicated, but I'll show you guys. And this is all I use in my hair when I want to freshen it up or twist my hair at night. I don't use water anymore. If you really want water, I say don't use the water in the sink. My thing that I live by is that I don't drink sink water. You know why? Because if I use sink water in my fish tank, my fishes will die, okay? I have to put things into the water to make it safe for the fish to swim in. So if the fish will die in regular sink water, what you think that sink water doing to your body? What you think that sink water doing to your hair? It's killing it, okay? It's killing it slowly. So, stop using the sink water, sis. QueeNyobee told you first. Woohoo! This bottle costs $9 total. It's 1 fluid ounce. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my concoctions. Next, we have grapeseed oil. I've never used this in any hair products, but I've heard nothing but good things about this oil, and someone actually commented on one of my videos when I was doing my steam treatment and said I should use this in my steam treatment, so I'm going to definitely try that. It's also something you can use in your hair and your skin, and it's 100% pure, and it's with Now Solutions. It's 4 fluid ounces, and this bottle costs $3.16. Now, when I was ordering this, I couldn't get the Now version of this, so this brand is like my first time going to be using this, so I'm not really sure if this is going to be good or not, but I got some pure avocado oil. Honestly, guys, when the avocado train was coming, I never really hopped onto it. I'm really skeptical of trends and stuff like that, so I've never really used avocado in my hair, to be honest. I just haven't, and I know it's good for you. Like, you can buy a whole avocado and cut it up and put it in your hair, but I've never done that, so I thought, why not just go get the oil and try the oil. So I'm gonna open this box, and this was $13.95. Oh, okay. It comes with a pump applicator, and this is what the bottle looks like. And once again, this was $13. Expensive. I've used avocado oil on my skin, I believe. I believe I had like a small bottle once of avocado, and I used to use it on my skin. So I'm guessing that's why they have this pump, so you can do that. So it says multi-purpose, moisturized skin, hair, 100% pure ingredients mixed with essential oils, cold press, use in any DIY products. How do y'all know? Y'all knew I was going to do that? So I'm excited to try this brand and see how this is. Okay, so this is something else that I got. It's vegetable glycerin. And I got this because, once again, I heard nothing but good things about this kind of oil. And is it even an oil? I don't know. It's a glycerin. Whatever the glycerin. I can't even say the word anymore. But the last time I got this, it wasn't like this. It was in my rose water. So that's why I said I got regular rose water this time. Last time I got this combined, and it was already in the rose water, and I was spraying it on my hair. This time I wanted to just use the rose water separately because I felt like my hair was like overly oiled because I was using that with the aloe and putting oil on top. So I felt like I'd rather just separate the two because you can use this on your skin and your face again. But I don't want to put this on my face, and I wanted to use the rose water on my face. So you know what I mean, like. So I got this bottle, and this was $6.83. Okay, the next thing I got was 100% pure shea butter. So I got this big jar. It's 16 fluid ounces. So between this and the coconut, I'm going to put the two together to make the base for my hair grease. I'm going to melt these down and then mix the oils into these. And like I said, I'll show you guys the whole process in a video. The next thing I got was a small thing of rose water toner. I was actually supposed to take this on my trip. That's why it's so small. It's 2 fluid ounces. I wanted to take this on my trip so when I, wash my face and stuff, I can use this toner on my face.
Because I've heard that rose water is really good for your face and stuff, and I want to try it. It's good for my hair so far, so I was like, if it's good for my hair, it's good for my face.
Alright, so that is a wrap. I don't have anything else in my box. That is my big iHerb haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to come back to my channel. So make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to come back when I make these hair products. I'm super excited to make this oil and this hair grease concoction and this spray. So if you guys are interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. This is like my 3rd time reminding you, so don't you forget. Okay, kings and queens, that is a wrap. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness. Your girl is out.